What's good? Just woke up. About to get up out of here, family. About to head to Cambodia. Gotta wake everybody up. And yeah, I'm so tired. I should have took my butt to bed. Just still asleep. But we gotta get up, baby. Cambodia, here we come. All right, we in the tuk-tuk and we about to head to the bus station. Yeah, we about to head to the bus station so we can go to Bangkok. From Bangkok, we're gonna go to the border, and from the border, we're going to a new spot. We're gonna miss you. We're gonna be in Cambodia. So we're gonna be in Cambodia for a few months, a couple of months. We might be over there for good. Might be our new home. But let's say bye to our old house. Family and the other tuk-tuk. They right behind us. It's flooded. Flooding over here bad. So we did get some of the flood, just not in our area. Oh my God, we're walking in there. Man, that flooding over here pretty bad. Hopefully we can catch our bus in time going to Cambodia. Some of the cars. Man, that water moving fast too. Over there on that side. It's flooded. Look at all that water. We're like in the water now. We're like in the water now. Man, I hope we make it through. Look at all that water, man. Wow. I did not want to miss that water. Truck line. traffic is all jammed up. Look at that. Look at all that water. It's like we got hit by the same hurricane China got hit with in the United States. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Flooded all inside, man. Inside the tuk-tuk. Dry now. I'm gonna keep y'all updated. More flooding. But you know what's crazy? I just seen a person just deliver some food. It's sad to say this, but they're having a flooding crisis here in Thailand, but they're helping each other, and the government is actually helping the people. They're not stranded. They're not doing everything for foreigners or anything like that. They're actually helping their own people. So it's kind of sad, man, that America is going through similar devastation, and the government over there is not doing much to help the people that's struggling over there. So yeah, but yeah, we done got caught up in some more flooding over here. We're just trying to make sure, hopefully we can make it to our destination safe, you know, and get through Thailand and enter Cambodia, you know, safe and sound. And keep y'all updated. Another update. Yep, so they people are helping right now. Hopefully I can give y'all a glance. There's some people out here actually helping their people. You know, this water getting thick over here. They're gonna help right there. They out there doing what they can to help the people, as y'all can see. But this water's getting thicker and thicker as we go along. I think I seen some food out there too. Another ambulance out right there. Yeah, I seen some food out there. Yeah, it's getting deeper. I was hoping to get y'all. I was hoping this clip would be a little better. Woo. Man, look. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. I'm hoping that we make it safe. I don't want to get stuck out here. And that water moving fast too on the other side. We're trying to, it's crazy getting the water, how the flood is here. And we're literally trying to get out of Thailand. You know what I'm saying? Some people over there walking. But this one won't be a little longer than 1 minute. This water is deep over there. Boy. Jacket. He about to go around us. He like, heck with that. He going around. He got a big truck, that's why. My bad. In the big truck, he can do it. He can just roll through it. Look at how that water is. Man, dang, it's waist deep over there. Yo, that's crazy. Wow. This is, wow, I might just upload this to TikTok. as an actual video. I got a bunch of clips, but I might just upload this as a single clip on TikTok, and I'm gonna put the full video on my YouTube page, All the Smoke Debates, or go to my Family Man in Thailand YouTube page. I'm gonna post it on that page as well. But if I don't put it on All the Smoke Debates YouTube page, more than likely it will in fact be on Family Man Thailand. That's where all my Thailand stuff is located. And honestly, this is where I should post it anyway. Look at this water. It's on my Thailand channel. So yeah, I'm gonna post it on Family Man in Thailand on YouTube. You'll find the whole video, yeah, I'm gonna just clip this one. I'm gonna let this one be like 4 minutes long, and I'm gonna upload probably a 10-minute video on YouTube, a full video. Look at this. Wow. I'm gonna keep y'all updated. Looks like we made it out the flood. I got the mask on because we're on the bus now. On our way to Bangkok. From Bangkok, I think we go to the border from Bangkok, but it's still some flooding. I'm still seeing some flooding, but for the most part, everything back this way is pretty dry. So we might have got out of the worst part of it. But yeah, look like we're good to go. And yeah, keep y'all updated. At least I'm probably make another clip, another video when we, let me see, probably when we get halfway there, because this is a long ride. I think we're like 10 hours away from our destination, so it's gonna be a nice little ride for us. Appreciate y'all taking the journey with us. Kaden, wanna say hello? Go ahead. Alright y'all, I'll see y'all in a few. So yeah, we made it to Bangkok. We got out the flood. We're in Bangkok right now. Yeah, 360. We actually left the bus station because we was about to get a ride in a little minivan, but we decided to go with our guy. He's sending us he's sending his people to come get us right now. Somebody we dealt with the last time we was in Cambodia. So they're gonna we about to catch a ride. I got the reason why I'm so close to the camera is because the traffic. We're about to catch the minivan to the border so we can cross the border to Cambodia. And we're about to start a new chapter out here, y'all, ladies and gentlemen. We're about to start a Cambodia chapter. We've been in Thailand for 6 months, and now we're about to go to Cambodia and probably be over there for another 6 months. You gotta remember, we already have a house in Thailand. We're about to go and get us a house in Cambodia. And then next we'll probably be getting us a house in Vietnam. We're gonna just buy houses all over East Asia. You dig? See you in the next video. I got dizzy doing that. We in Bangkok. Let's go. We just made it to Cambodia. Just crossed the border. Crossing the border now. Crossing the border. Here we go. Crossing the border. All right. Well, we're in Cambodia. We literally just entered Cambodia. Yo, that's crazy, right? crazy driving over here. It's a lot more aggressive.
Okay, go right here. I have to text him.